Hello guys, so today's video will be about completely something different. Okay, and I feel like I discovered the America. I'm a construction guy, and working in construction you're gonna need to use the paint sometime, right? And I messed up this beautiful shirt that my friend gave me, who is working at Metro, and I got a bunch of paint on it, as you can see. And it's just my favorite shirt. I just you know, for work, I guess because of this pocket for the screws or whatever. And I've been wearing this shirt for about a year almost with all this paint on me, and there was a big blob of paint right here. And since I wear this vest, just like that, this big blob of paint right here, and it was the same paint as this one, was just kind of like right here, and it looked like I just dropped a piece of mustard or mayonnaise on me, and I looked like a slob. So I again turn on my brain and think a little bit, what would remove the latex or acrylic paint? And since I am using really good paints, the alcohol or I don't know what else you guys mentioned on YouTube, it just doesn't work. I don't know how you can clean, I don't know what kind of paint you're using, but the alcohol does not work. Okay, and now you can see there might be a little spot here somewhere, like a white spot from this kind of paint, but you can barely notice it, and I just got rid of it yesterday. So I'm gonna show you what works on latex or acrylic paint. Okay, now here is my job pot, and as you can see, I'm gonna use a glove because it's not any environmentally friendly product that I'm gonna use. And watch this. I'm gonna get this can here. I'm not gonna show you what it is yet. Let me zoom a little bit on that spot. I'm gonna take care of this one right here. Okay, and that's been on the job board for years. That's maybe 2-3 years. And I'm gonna spray. Alright, and I can take a cloth right away and spray a little bit on my cloth. And watch this. And it's a big blob of blood or poo of paint. It's melting right away. Okay? Now, of course, this paint is tough. So it will require a little work. And you know, again, it's a big poop of paint. It's not like a little smear like this thing here. Okay? It's actually a big poop of paint. And you can see it's melting already. Right? Now, this is my job cloth. I'm not going to waste too much time on this. But you can see it disappearing. If I'm gonna do this for another 5 minutes, just a couple more sprays, it will come off eventually. Okay? You can see that, right? You can see that it will come off. Now, I would do that a little more, but I'm not gonna waste my time here, or yours. But then what I did, just unzoom a little bit. I got this slabs in here. Okay. And of course you cannot see what I'm doing, but you get the idea. Hot water. Oops. Brush. And very tough soap, like this is like a dish soap, or you can use a laundry soap and scrub it out. Okay? Again, not gonna waste your time much with this. But you got the idea, right? I just want to pretty much show you how it looks after just a couple of minutes. This is how it looks. Okay? And it will come up. It will come off completely. If you work on it a little more, it will come off completely. Okay? That's where it used to be, right here. That's the spot. Now, what product I've been using? Well, you know I've been working on carburetors, right? And I've been cleaning the carburetors, and what the hell is a better cleaner than the carb and throttle body cleaner used for cleaning the carburetors. And that will take off pretty much anything. Believe me, this is a tough product. Okay? So give me your ideas about this and how it works for you. If you give me a thumbs down, please let me know why, because I know it works. And other than that, I wish you good luck.